Welcome to the second day of Lamudi Property Fair 2024, the biggest property expo in the Philippines. Our developer exhibitors are showcasing affordable, premium, luxury, and even ultra-luxury homes in Luzon and around the country.
Sabi ko lang dito sa event ng Lamudi is salamat kasi binigyan kami ng opportunity para ma-showcase yung namin, yung bagong project namin.
So I invite you na sana makapunta kayo dito para mapag-aralan nyo mismo kung ano yung mga projects at mga location na magugustuhan ninyo.
Actually, sobrang excited kasi syempre si Lamudi, ito yung chance ng mga Pilipino po na naghahanap ng property investment na naghahanap pa. So, ang magandang part dito, makakapili sila ng iba't ibang klase ng property investment dito sa Pilipinas.
Ang masasabi ko sa event ni Lamudi is nakakatulong talaga siya sa mga developer like us kasi marami talagang mga leads na pumapasok.
So we would like to thank Lamudi for inviting us to be one of the exhibitor for their property event here in Trinoma, and we are very happy and honored to be a part of this very big property fair. Thank you so much.
We thank everyone for visiting our property fair here in Trinoma Activity Center. Last day namin tomorrow, mall hours dito sa Trinoma Activity Center. So, see you guys here. Bye-bye!